Hey guys, here you go. It's
And there you have the PB&J.
한국에서는 제육볶음이 아주 유명하죠. So, wow, amazing.
What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for the past year I've been getting a lot more requests to do Korean style food related videos on my channel. You guys seem to love my mukbangs and my challenges, so today I thought we'd do a little challenge where we compare a Korean style lunch to an American style lunch. So if you guys don't know, I went to elementary school in America, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't have the best memories of my American school lunches. They were pretty bland. Monday was mozzarella cheese stick day, Tuesday was nacho day, Wednesday was pizza day. I don't really think the meals had much nutritional value to them, to be honest, but hey, I always really enjoyed lunchtime because it meant I could just eat junk food. And something I noticed when I started teaching in Korea is that their school lunches are obviously a lot different. The food is a lot more Korean, obviously. So today I am going to be comparing a Korean style lunch to an American style lunch. And I'm really excited because I actually have one of my best Korean friends here, and he's going to be cooking the Korean style lunch. I didn't want to do that because I just knew I would probably butcher it, so show some love down in the comments because I really appreciate him helping us out for this video. And I want to give a really big thank you to MOKKOJI Korea for sponsoring this video. I'm going to have their link down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know which dish looked better to you. Would you enjoy the Korean style lunch or the American style more? Okay, so what we're gonna do is he's gonna do the Korean style lunch first. I have a feeling the American one is literally gonna take 2 seconds for me to make, so we're gonna first start with the Korean style.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다, 여러분. Why you laugh?
Are you nervous? What? Okay, so when you were a student, what do you remember the most about Korean lunches?
한국 점심에는 대부분 이제 밥을 먹어요. 밥, 그리고 국, 그리고 뭐 계란, 아니면 고기, 아니면 소세지. 한국 사람들은 밥을 먹을 때 굉장히 많은 반찬을 먹습니다. 그래서 오늘은 뭘 만들 거냐면 먼저 자, 밥이 빠질 수가 없겠죠. 밥은 햇반으로 만들고, 그 다음에 미역국, 그 다음에 비엔나 소세지, 그리고 계란말이, 그리고 김치, 그 다음에 제육볶음을 만들 겁니다. 이렇게 됐어요. 시간 관계상 좀 더 간단하게 이미 만들어진 소스로 사용할 겁니다. 그리고 국 같은 것도 이미 만들어진 걸로 만들 거예요.
You know, I never saw people cut sausage like that until I came to Korea.
Really?
Yeah, they never
Why?
cut it like that in America.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Why do they do that? So it cooks easier?
Cause yeah, for inside. 여러분, hey guys, here you go. It's just egg with carrot. Nothing.
I don't think America's school lunch I ever ate an egg.
Really?
Yeah. Never. But when I taught at Korean school, like I ate this so much. Whoa!
That's perfect. Perfect. Wait. 자, 계란말이가 완성이 되었어요. 사실 이게 제가 처음 만들어 보는 계란말이라 가지고 모양이 완벽하진 않지만 맛있게 잘 먹겠습니다. 자, 먼저 김치 제육볶음을 만들 건데, 사실 한국에서는 제육볶음이 아주 유명하죠. 한국 사람들이 이제 많이 먹는 음식 중 하나가 제육볶음인데, 사실 어제도 먹고 왔어요, 제육볶음. 점심시간에. 저는 간단하게 만들기 위해서 이미 만들어진 소스를 쓰겠습니다.
Alright, so Korean lunch is done, and before we try it, it's time to make the American lunch so we can compare. So I think it's safe to say the most classic American lunch for any kid would just be PB&J. I have so many memories in the summer, just like being at the beach and going inside the house, and our parents would make us PB&Js. I'm sure you guys have similar memories as well. So in case you're not Western, and you've never eaten one of these before. He's never eaten one, so it's gonna be his first time. For PB&J. So peanut butter and jelly. As you guys know, grape jelly is the go-to.
It looks so hard.
So,
oh my god.
like, you probably might not want to try making this yourself because you might blow your house up.
Oh, it's so nice, isn't it? okay. Just try.
Spread that all over. And yeah, this is like very crunchy.
Yeah, it looks so very, very healthy.
Oh, really? Yeah, it's some good protein. Peanuts, protein. So now, you're gonna take a different knife and... Okay, so there's our sandwich. And you're just going to...
Wow.
And you put it on top. I know, it's so complicated.
Oh, so really complicated.
And then take your knife.
Wow.
And there you have a PB&J. Alright, next is the carrot, the infamous carrot. I'm sure you guys remember going through the lunch line and there would just be either cooked, like peas and carrots, or they just decided to make raw carrots that day. Carrots, I think, are typically consumed cooked here. So we're gonna go ahead and just cut up a good old raw carrot.
Just eat?
Yeah.
No cooking?
Yeah, no cooking.
Wow. Amazing.
Alright guys, next to add to our plate is the corn. There would always be corn or peas or like canned green beans. Strictly canned vegetables only. So we've got some corn. If you guys went to any kind of public school, you know Nacho Day, the most disgusting cheese that you'll ever eat in your life. You had this before?
I know. It's like with beer.
I couldn't find actual nacho chips because we just went to a small mart, but I was able to find the cheese, so hopefully this cheese is strong enough to cover up the taste of the actual chips. So we're just gonna take some yogurt, and I know parfaits sometimes have nuts in it, but actually American schools, there's a lot. Do you know about like nut allergies? Yeah, so like a lot of people in America have a nut allergy.
I heard.
And so you really can't bring like nuts into a school. If you do, you gotta be really careful. But like everything else, they can't really afford to do like fresh strawberries. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Because these are like public schools. Like you're not paying. Did you go to public or private school? All right, guys. Here it is. Korean versus American school lunch.
So this is rice and soup, 미역국, and sausage, Vienna sausage, egg rolling, 계란말이.
You did a great job on that.
Yeah, it's kimchi, and it's 제육볶음, which is my favorite food.
And over here, he thinks it's so. Why is it funny? Why is it funny?
Is it for lunch?
Yeah,
Really?
yeah, really. This is why like so many American kids sneak candy into class. And this is why so many people struggle with weight in America.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
If I have lunch like this, my mother gonna hit me.
Okay, so what do we have, you guys? First, we have peanut butter jelly. Traditionally, it's served on white bread. This is more of a yellow style bread, but we'll take it. We've got our raw carrots. We have our corn. These should be nacho chips to go with the nacho cheese, but they're just regular chips. Still, chips, I remember they would have buckets of chips for us to eat in the States. Crazy. And then a little yogurt parfait. I remember you could buy these for extra. I think it was like $1 extra if you wanted a parfait, which is so messed up that you have to pay extra money for the healthy stuff. So you've never tried raw carrot?
Actually, I guess most many Korean people don't like it. It's low. It's low.
Not bad.
It's sweet. Not bad. I thought just horse eat like this.
Ooh.
Wow, amazing. The taste, very special.
That's the special taste, right?
Very special. So you eat this for lunch?
Lunch, yeah. Oh, you love
I can
it.
finish it now. Go on.
Okay, so you said you never in Korea eat corn like this.
Some people eat like this.
Okay.
But usually we cook.
Yeah, in other food.
It's corn.
Yeah, corn. When I eat it like this, it makes me think about being a kid. And being back in school. So we would have, well actually what you have to do is you have to like pour it over. Like pour it on top. But you can dip it. So yeah, we would have nacho day and you could have cheese and salsa. I don't even think this is real cheese.
In Korea, nacho is usually
Beer.
for beer. Yeah.
So different.
Yeah, so different. It's just like snack.
Yeah. So I don't know if you heard me, but if you wanted to get this in my school, you would have to pay extra money.
Extra money?
Yeah.
Really?
Good.
Nice.
Alright. So that's our lunch. What do you think about it?
미국에서 이렇게 점심을 먹는다는 것에 좀 많이 놀랐어요. 우리가 보기에는 되게 그냥 간식인 것 같은 음식들을 점심으로 먹으니까 되게 놀랐고, 또 어떻게 보면 만드는 게 또 간단해가지고 먹기도 편리하고. This is 계란말이.
And you did such a good job. You said this was your first time doing it.
클라스.
You're like, show the people what I made. ASMR.
Oh my god. Hey.
Are you more mad about your soup or my hair?
No, your hair. I don't care.
Perfect.
Perfect?
Really? Yeah. And the carrots. Good touch.
You like it?
You ever eat it with sauce?
Just salt? That's it.
Soup. Have you ever made this from scratch?
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's actually not that difficult. Yeah, with the rice.
Yeah, it's better.
Oh, you know how to eat. Good girl.
Vienna sausage time. So, you said you have a bad memory of Vienna sausages?
It's not bad memory.
Wow.
Just I don't like the sausage, Vienna sausage. But all of my friends like this sausage.
It's decent for lunch. And now the best part.
This is 제육볶음.
You said it's your favorite Korean food?
Yes. Good?
Really good. Yeah.
With rice. Awesome. Who made it?
Chef Addie. Chef Addie was the American. Chef Addie was the Korean.
you have to say about Korean food? Your feeling?
Just to give you guys my thoughts about the Korean lunch, it was amazing. You did a great job cooking it. This was like really traditional, because I remember when I worked at my old Hagwon, this is stuff that we would eat on a regular basis, especially the egg roll, Vienna sausage, and the muk soup. We would have this soup every single day, and of course every single Korean lunch served in school always comes with rice. But overall, I loved it. This was really good. I think my favorite would be the cheolbokkeum, just because it has a nice kick to it. I think that if this was served to like little kindergarten kids, they might think it was a little bit too spicy, but still really yummy. And then you can never go wrong with Vienna sausage. So yeah, that wraps it up for this video. Comment below which dish looked the best to you. If you want to see more like cooking style videos or videos with my Korean friends in them, let me know. If you have any specific video requests for me to like film with friends, comment them down below. But that's about it. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Okay.